Hey guys, here's another product review for today. This is a massage gun and it's from SEVIZ. It's the Beatgun. So let's open it up and see what we have. So first cool thing about it, it comes with its own carrying case. This one's black. Also the massage gun comes in two different colors. I chose the pink. This is a 10-speed gun. It has 6 heads, 20 watts, and the battery life is 300 minutes. Okay, so we're gonna open it up. Disclaimer, I did open it previously, and my husband, my model here, actually opened it up and let me know that you have to charge this for 6 hours before you use it. Okay, so here's the gun. You see that? And AC adapter, and I'm assuming that these are the different heads. Let's see. Yep. So here is one, and this is the traditional bald head here. And then you have this one, just looks like a little plug, flat. This one has a pointed tip. If you can see that, it's almost like the, can you see? Here you go. And it has ridges here. So that would be great for maybe trigger point. Okay. And we have this oddly shaped one. And if you can see, has little nodules at the top. And this one is really soft, look. You can push that down. I should note, this one is really hard. Really hard. This also hard. And this is like a, almost like a tennis ball consistency or texture. Okay. Here you go. This is hard as well. And I've never seen this one. So this actually, right where my finger is, it's indented in. There's a groove on both sides. But it's hard. I mean, it's kind of bendy, if you could see, but it's still hard plastic. Okay, nice little velvet or velveteen bag. And we have instructions. Let me also show you the actual case. So it has all the spots where you can put everything. This is where your gun would actually go here. And then the pouch can fit right here. And this is where your AC adapter goes. And then as you see, it has the little plastic. So it protects all of your pieces. But you can also probably, if you needed to put anything here in this little mesh part, you could. And then it zips, 2 zippers, here, here, and it zips all the way around. Okay, here are the directions. So let me show you actually what it looks like once you plug it up. And so you can see all of the different light displays and everything. So at the bottom has the little plug and on-off switch. My model will assist me. Thanks. Okay, so it's charging now. Now here it is. Can you see this? let's bring you a little closer. See? And also a little light on the adapter. So the green tells you that it's fully charged, otherwise it'd be red. And then where you see this green here, when it wasn't charged, it was telling me like the percentage. So it was kind of doing like, have y'all watched Knight Rider before? That's what it does. If you haven't ever watched David Hasselhoff back in the day, Knight Rider, you have to watch it. Anyway, the car kit used to, his lights in the front used to beam and make that noise. So that's what all of these little things will do. Now, let's see. So I just turned it off. I mean, I just unplugged it. So we don't need the cord, if you were wondering. So let's go ahead and turn it off while we attach the different heads. Now, coincidentally, my husband injured himself working out today on his quad. So that's one of the reasons why we are going to use him as a model.
Thanks.
Because I actually wasn't going to product review this today, but out of necessity, we have to, right?
Thanks.
So here are the instructions, and it gives you basic usage instructions, charging instructions, safety instructions, warranty information, and of course, a disclaimer and suggested applications. And it also gives a description of what each of the heads mean. So I'll go through each head and then you could see exactly what it means or exactly the uses. Now, it also tells you, if you can kind of see, depending on where you are needing the massage, it tells you how long you should have it on each section. Take for instance, if you were going to massage or use it on your elbow muscle, it suggests 10 to 20 seconds 2 times. And for, yep, right there.
Oh yeah, we could do that on me too, because my elbow muscle hurts.
You see this dude? Okay, so we're actually going to do where he got injured today, which will be his lower body. Does it show this on here? It actually doesn't even show it on this particular guide. Yeah, it's the closest it says is it does like your groin and it does your glutes, but we're not doing either one of those areas. Okay, so we're gonna figure it out. First, we're gonna use the ball head. Round spherical design produces a powerful output. Soft material brings an even pressure to your muscle. It is suitable for any large muscle groups over your body. So his quad,
Just push it. Just push it.
yeah, I pushed it. I'm trying to make sure that, okay, now that I pushed it, how do I take it out?
See?
Oh, okay. So since there's ridges on each of these, yes, you can just push it, as my husband was saying. You can see it. But you have to kind of shimmy it out. Okay, so we pushed it.
Hey, why don't you show all 10 levels before you beat me up?
Okay, so we're at 0. Okay, and as you see, the levels, and this is how fast it goes. Let's increase it. That's number 2. 3, 4, 5, 6. Can you even see that? 7. Let's get something you can see. Maybe my hat. 8. Oh, I skipped 9. Let's hope I don't do that when I'm doing it on my husband, right? 9, and then 10. You can't really tell, right? That's what I'm saying. We got to do it on actual muscle. So we're going to go all the way down to 1. And let's get started. Okay, so we are on level 1 and we are using the ball. So let's hit the infected area here.
It's not infected.
Oh, injured area. Can you see how his leg is vibrating? Let's increase it. That's the number 2.
Here. Yeah, right there.
Let's go higher. I think he could take one a little bit more. I wish y'all could see his face. It's crazy. Higher! Does it itch you?
No. Like right there. Do that.
Higher! Oh, he's saying it's not itching him, but it's itching my hand. Okay, so we're gonna jump to number 10 to see how bad it is, or good. So pain level 1 to 10.
0. Actually feels good.
And I'm just applying light pressure. Obviously, you could also do more. And you see he's guiding my hand or my gun. Okay, so now we have the flathead attachment on here. And the flathead design brings a powerful yet comfortable pressure for your muscle groups, suitable for muscle relaxation in all muscle areas. So let's go. Ooh. So one thing I just noticed, when you take out the head, it automatically turns off. Okay, model, how would you rate this one versus the ball?
Because of what happened today with my quad muscles, this one feels real good.
So better, same, or worse?
Better.
Okay, let's try the next one. Okay, this is the damper head. This is the one that I said earlier has the little nodules on the top, and that's really soft. Okay, so the umbrella shape transmits power from one side to one point. The damper produces a comfortable massage power suitable for all muscle groups. So let's go. We're gonna put it on, we'll put this on 2 as well. That way our model has something to base all of his critique on. Okay, model. Better, worse, or the same?
It's not that it's better or worse. It just is a different feeling. This one is reminds me of deep tissue massage.
This one, I can tell that it's a little bit harder to kind of maneuver, even with the same pressure that I'm putting.
Yeah, because those little prongs on the top are grabbing my leg here and it's pulling it.
Yeah, so you may want to think about, since this is
Go
like
up in
a
More. Right.
you may want to
Now
think
it's not.
it's not pulling as much on a higher speed. And you may also want to think about maybe some massage oils or lotions.
Now it doesn't feel as hard as it doesn't feel as much like a deep tissue.
Okay, let's try another one. Okay guys, so this is the shovel head. The shovel design brings a mild pressure. It is suitable for more sensitive muscle areas like the abs. It is great to eliminate abdominal fat and help to relax abdomen muscle after exercise. Of course, my husband doesn't have fat on his abs, but
Yes, I do.
stop it. So let's try. Power on.
Oh, oh. Go higher. No.
Oh, the intensity.
Okay.
This is so ridiculous.
Is
Look.
that how you're supposed to do it? Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. I think you're supposed to keep it 90-degree perpendicular. Yep.
So how does this feel?
Tickle and workout at the same time.
Well, that's not very relaxing.
Okay.
Okay, let's try another one. Okay, guys, so now this is the fork head. Fork head. The reasonable U-shaped design perfectly delivers force path between two pressure points, which is even and powerful, suitable for stimulating massage such as neck and spine. So let's go. Since it's going to be on the neck and spine area, I would not suggest doing it really high. So let's just start off like at a 2.
Wow.
How does that feel?
That is great.
Are you still on 2?
Yep, I'm still on 2. And
Do it
if
3.
you could see, I'm making sure not to go on the actual spine. Let's increase it to 3. How's that?
That's still good. I'll let you know when it's uncomfortable. So you
And so you could really go probably all the way down, but we're just gonna, for this demonstration, just do,
that's 4.
this is 4.
Still good.
Okay, let's try right here. Right on his traps.
Good.
Is this good?
Yeah, but don't go up here though.
Okay.
Okay. You can go some more.
This is 5. My motto is telling me to go over to the other side.
Still good.
Okay, we have one more attachment to use.
Wow.
Okay guys, so now we are using our last one, which is the cylindrical head. This head is small but full of impact and brings direct pressure to the depths. Great for deep tissues such as palm, solar foot, and joints. So we're gonna use it on his elbow. And if you're wondering what's up with all my vocabulary. I literally just read off of this little instruction. Okay, let's go. Let's try. Turn it on. Let's try add a number 2. And we're here. Oh. How's that feeling?
Sorry. It's okay.
Okay, let's see if we could get a close-up view. Look at that muscle.
You're not in the joint.
Okay, and then I'm gonna increase it to 4. Oh.
Still good. Yep, right there. Do 5. 5 feels better.
Okay. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching us do this product review. I'll put all of the information down in the info or comment section so you could get your own if you like. Again, this is the Beat Gun from SEVIZ, and you can go on their website to get all the information. Also, I bought this off Amazon. Thanks. Have a great day.